Okay guys, I'm going to show you how to draw this horse eye, alright, if you're going to use black pastel. So there's a number of things you're going to need. Alright, so first of all, let me zoom this back. Alright, you're going to need a rubber, you're going to need a pencil so you can actually sketch it out first, you're going to need a paper stub, you're going to need a little brush, because the little brush is going to help you to be able to brush little sections of it as you go. Instead of using your fingers to smudge, you'll be able to get in there with the brush and make it neat, and that is the same as the paper stub. Okay, the other thing you're going to need to use is soft pastels. So I have a selection of soft pastels here. Guys, they are very, very chalky, so everything moves and smudges really easily, so you've got to be really careful with how you use them. The next thing I've got my Faber-Castell Pit Pastel soft pencils. So these are the brand new ones, guys. I want you to look after them. I've only got the one packet. There is some more older ones in the cupboard. You cannot use a regular sharpener with these. If you're going to sharpen these, you need to use a little bit of sandpaper just to get yourself a point, or you need to use a scalpel, and I can show you how to do that, but you need to really look after these. Okay, so the biggest thing to remember is that you're working in reverse. So when you come along to do this, you will sketch out your basic shapes and colors, but you're going to come along and you'll start in the shine. This shiny bit here, you need to realize, is a miniature landscape. So I've got those little lines of it, of the eyelashes of the horse over the top, but you absolutely will start there. So I started by doing my white horizon line, which you'll see in a minute. Then I added some blue, I even added a little bit of yellow, and then I blended it through. Then I worked on the brown parts of my eye. I put little bits of yellow ochre in there as well. And then I use the black to go back and reinforce and highlight some of the sections I missed. Don't forget, if you're doing a close-up eye or something, you've got all these beautiful little shiny bits that are wet as well, which, you know, can be really brought out. I haven't done a really good job of this. I've rushed it because I wanted to put the video up for you as quick as I could. And then you come back and you'd start looking at the shadows. Like the grey of the horse's skin actually has tinges of blue, so I've put grey and blue. I've smudged it in. I could definitely do a little bit more. And then the last but not least, you add your fur around it and your black eyelashes on the horse and stuff. I laid down a bit of colour underneath the horse's eye, so when I did my black under eyelashes, that it really stood out. So this is a quick one. This is definitely a medium you could use. If you don't want to use pastel though, you can absolutely paint your canvas black and work in reverse. Okay, the other thing you need to be super aware of, if you're going to use pastel, you have to spray over the top with workable fixative, which smells like hairspray, but it's not good for you to breathe, so make sure you take it outside to spray it. Okay, really important. But yeah, this is a soft pastel drawing on black paper, and it's something you can also replicate in acrylic if you wish, because we do have really high quality acrylic. Okay.